Take a look at this shot. It looks like a high-end luxury fragrance commercial shot on a physical soundstage. But if you try to make something like this by opening an AI video generator, staring at a blank text box, and typing a few random adjectives, you are going to burn through your generation credits and get nothing usable. To actually build premium video without wasting resources, we use a specific process. We call it the free first, generate second workflow. This process draws a hard line between the tools you use. We do all of our planning and post-production in free apps like Pinterest, Notion, and CapCut. We only touch our premium generation engine, the Higgsfield platform, when it is time to render the final high-end shots. Mastering this strict separation of tools is what separates someone guessing at prompts from a professional AI director who actually controls their budget. Step 1 happens entirely outside of the AI generator. You do not spend a single credit until your visual discovery board is completely locked. Open Pinterest and create a dedicated project board. Break it down into strict sections. You need specific categories for mood, lighting, environment, and camera angles. Start by pinning broadly across all of those categories. Gather every image that feels close to the aesthetic you want for the project. Once you have a large collection, look at this grid. You must aggressively cull it down. We delete anything that doesn't perfectly match the core aesthetic, leaving us with a maximum of 6 to 12 highly cohesive hero references. If you cannot feed your AI engine a focused vision, it cannot generate one. This filtering saves credits. Next, we move those final references into a text planning environment like Notion or ChatGPT. We need to extract the exact data points. Write down the mood, the color palette, the lighting style, and the camera language. Notice how we translate the images here. We avoid vague adjectives like cool or nice. We use precise directorial language to describe the scene. Instead, use specific terms. Describe the shot as having glossy, low-key lighting, macro detail, and a slow push-in. This textual brief acts as a mathematical parameter set. It tells the AI the exact physical properties of the shot you want, ensuring it gets the details right on the very first attempt. Now we finally open our generation tool. Inside Higgsfield, select Cinema Studio. This is the environment built specifically for high-control cinematic ad generation. If our goal was simply to storyboard a sequence, we would use the Popcorn tool. But since we need final premium renders, Cinema Studio is the right choice. This brings us to the hero shot rule. Input your text brief alongside one reference image to generate a single test clip. Look at this. If you skip this validation step,